Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Sorry for the lighting. The lighting is kind of off today, but yeah, since it's cloudy and raining. But today I'm going to be doing a full face of Jafra makeup. The first thing that I'm going to do, my skin is already nice and primed. I'm going to go in with my Jafra 2-in-1 powder foundation. This one is like my favorite foundation ever. It's so nice. To apply it, I'm going to use my Real Techniques powder brush, and this is in cream, by the way. I'm just going to apply this all over the face. This is like my only Jafra foundation right now, so I'm just going to use this as a foundation. Now I'm going to take my Jafra Brow Powder Duo in Dark Blonde with the Morphe M153 brush. I'm going to take a lighter shade. Normally I go in with a pencil too, but I don't have a Jafra pencil. So I'm just going to do the powder this time. So I'm going to take my Jafra blush. I think I've seen me use this blush so many times. I'm using the Jafra powder blush in Rose Oro with the angled cheek brush from Anissa Beauty. I'm going to pick up a little bit more. Let's go back to the eyes. The eyes are nice and primed as well. I primed the face and the eyes before filming, so I'm going to go straight into an eye look. So I'm going to use the Jafra liquid eyeshadow. I have no idea what the name is, but I'll link it down below. I'm going to take this, or actually first let's use a transition shade. So this is not from Jafra. This is the only Jafra product that I'm not using. That is not from Jafra. This is actually my bronzer. This is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in medium. I'm going to use this as a transition shade. I really like using the bronzer for a transition shade. It's really nice. And with another brush, I'm going to just blend the transition shade a little bit. Just kind of like the outer part of it, so there's no harsh lines. Now we're going to take the Jafra liquid eyeshadow. I'm just going to place this on the lid. I'm going to use my finger just to blend it a little bit. I'm going to build up the intensity as well. I'm going to come back with lashes curled and I'll be right back. And then I'll come right back. Okay, for mascara, this is my favorite mascara from Jafra. This is the Jafra Define High Definition Waterproof Mascara in Blackest Black. I'm going to apply this to the lashes. Okay, for lip liner, I'm going to use the Jafra Royal lip liner in Elizabeth. I'm going to line my lips with this. Okay, I did forget to do this, but I'm going to take the Jafra highlight stick in Bubbly. Oh, and I also forgot to put on some concealer, and I just put some concealer on the under eye area, and I'm actually going to put some on any blemishes. There, there, and there. I'm gonna blend it first with my finger, and then I'm gonna take the brush that we I'm gonna take the brush that we used for the foundation and just go over that with what's ever left on the brush. And then let's go back into the highlight. I'm just going to take it on my finger. Looks like that. It's, and then I'm just going to put this in the highlight places, kind of like in that C shape. Or you know what? That was a little tricky with my fingers. I'm just going to do it with that. Just like, ooh, and then I can blend that later. What I also like to do is I kind of like to go above the brow, arch of the brow. And like I said, we can go in and use the beauty blender or a brush. Now back to the lips. I'm going to take the Jafra Always Liquid Lip Stain and Always Tender. I'm going to apply this on top of the lip. It's a little darker than the lip liner, but it's okay. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the brows using my Jafra Brow Volumizing Brow Gel. Okay, the Bible verse of the day is Philippians 4:7. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Jesus Christ. And that was Philippians 4:7. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you on the next one. Bye!